Welcome to Sharkroll Casino. In this guide, we'll show you how to deposit using the bank transfer option. Start by logging into your account at sharkroll.io. Click on the wallet icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Deposit. Click on the Deposit Method dropdown and choose Bank Transfer. Select whether you want to transfer EUR or GBP. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. If you use a bonus or promo code, you can select it now. Once ready, click Deposit. You'll be redirected to the MyXspend payment page. If this is your first time using MyXspend, you'll need to verify your account by entering your phone number, full name, as it appears on your ID, date of birth, and email address. Choose Instant Transfer for the fastest and most secure payment. Select your bank, review the payment details, and make sure everything is correct. Confirm the payment through your bank's official mobile app. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the Sharkroll Casino page. If your deposit is successful, you'll see a successful payment message, and the amount will appear instantly in your casino wallet. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your Sharkroll Casino experience. Play smart and good luck.